That's why I can't stand. You know what? It's KFC time, you guys. Guys, tell me what you want in the comment section. I'll get that.
Hello?
Can I have a barbecue zinger?
Hello?
Lady, can I have a barbecue zinger, please?
Ginger barbecue singer? No barbecue singer.
Still spicy?
No spicy either.
Okay. What do you have?
Yes, what's it?
Original and spicy chicken, spicy and barbecue wings.
Oh boy. Can I have a meal deal?
I want the meal deal.
Mix.
Yes, mix with what?
Spicy and barbecue.
No barbecue.
Original,
and
yeah.
spicy.
That's the only option. So yeah, mix it.
Butter chicken.
Doesn't really matter. Breast and leg.
Hello?
Leg and thigh.
Only have original and spicy, okay?
Okay.
Don't serve leg and spicy.
Original.
Favorite drink.
I'll take a grape. And a thigh and leg.
No.
Or the
Hello?
midlet.
Thigh and rib.
Thigh
I mean, sorry, leg and rib or thigh and rib.
Thigh and wing. Thigh and wing and a grape soda.
Anything else?
Yeah, same meat or same meat there.
Same. Another. Meal deal.
Not spicy.
Original.
Original.
So we get what food?
Usually, can I have a waiter please? I have my kids see the party.
This is a clear one, so that one there. It's very packed right now. So
Next on.
look at the fire.
What is wrong?
She's doing whatever she wants to do. Alright then. Don't want you. That's him say. That's him say. Red no curve and even the marker. Every girl stop box with it, box with it. Every girl box. Pussy get 10 out of 10. Back it to me, girl, I beg you pull it up again.
Just reaching after the party, and the man like say one party day you are flaring. I can't understand the. Let me show you what I'm going. Hello, party done, you know, guys.
I'm so
Black girl, I want to them people. Wanna go on now, wanna rock the bed, you love work. Party done now? Yes, this party animals. Them finally cool. They're not really cool though because just come and they have vlog, them stuff. Tell them what's your birthday, how was it, what you enjoyed the most, what you hate about it, or whatever.
Well, I actually wanted to go to Hard Rock Cafe.
I wanted to go to Taboo and see some girls.
I actually wanted to go to Taboo, but we never make it to Taboo, and Hard Rock Cafe closed at 11. So we left here like 11, so we end up at Margaritaville.
Fearful.
Yeah, I took a while to get ready as usual, but when I got there at first I was like, it was so crowded, no space, hot, sweaty, sticky, but eventually because space was there and everybody started to get to dancing and all of that, but it was good. There's a good vibes.
Then our eagles end up pop.
Jesus, please, did they have to say that?
What's
Ring
wrong?
my foot. Alright,
Oh, really?
big ring foot.
Oh, I don't know. So sure you from those
Yes,
no say. But so come dance now. Just say no. Are you just?
And I was in a 8-inch heels. That's why. No, I take it off.
Yeah.
Like freedom.
So what you have to say about it, Cleo, tonight?
My KFC tastes very horrible. I mean, like the chicken, it's just.
Tell me, I'm hungry. It tastes alright.
Petagaye, if you watch 90% of Petagaye vlog is about food. Petagaye is hungry belly, right? But the food, it just tastes like it don't have spice. It just tastes like salt, black pepper, frying pan. It don't taste good like Kingston food.
Kingston and Portmore.
And it just not taste good. Sometimes you don't really like eat skin, but when you eat KFC skin, but no, I'm not even eat them skin because it tastes that bad. And maybe man them thick.
Like porridge, I should say.
Them really thick and them sexy. Like Kingston man them just maga. I'm not saying that. I'm maga myself. But boy, Kingston man them maga like me, but maybe man them thick. Them about whatever so I'm not telling you like I like the movie.
So when you try to say that come back and maybe I get some porridge.
Anyways, at the last part of this club, I mean the last part, like this girl, she can dance and she little and neat and
I might put the video right so or maybe in the next week. But I got in the vlog though.
Okay, so you know she dance neat and all, and DJ bring out everybody, but it's like DJ not see her. And the last part when everybody like the place get more scanty, DJ spot and say, oh that girl yeah, the girl bad, she neat, she
And she
little
come from
and
France.
neat. Of all the places, me think of this Jamaican girl, France the girl come from,
But
dance
I
better
say-
than whole heap of Jamaican girl. Hey,
I know say, I just calm it down a little bit tonight, but I'm alright, right? I say, after me get in and whole heap of, you have white and whatever people there. And you want to do the type of man who come look at me.
I remember
bright
that.
and out of order. Him out of order. Look at me. Look at my bony self. Me.
Steve Fisher, okay, buddy.
Listen to me. You want to see the man how him look. You come like I am a links get him in there. I don't think him pay for coming in. Him, hey, and I look
Bonya.
me.
But no use to talk about how movie a man thick like porridge.
Listen, him never did sick. Him come like him come from Spanish town. But I this Spanish town, but I never know what him come like say.
You listen, I look for you, I say,
But I this Spanish town, but you can't see him not come from.
Boy,
But
yeah.
him bright and out of order. I'll come in maga. I'm here for the day so far. No.
Well, my one was good. My dance, my kind of dance-ish. Kind of shit, but they kind of disappointing.
Peter gave him one piece wine. And Peter asked, oh my dance, we say yes, stiff.
Because me I wear formal, I'm there with my shorts and
Alright.
stuff.
Yeah, I wasn't really dressed for the party vibes. Like,
Exactly, formal, dinner type.
like next time if I go to party, I want shorts, I want a little piece of top.
We can eat on next.
Yeah, and flats. So when the song them at once with the flurry and what else clear? Whatever, some other
big
local
thing.
dance, I can dance to it. But the whole night I'm like this.
To me I say, I want one of you. She said, me use Bob.
That God, stop saying that. Me done.
But But for me, you know, it was good. My dance
Oh, my
and
God.
stuff. Shake on my nerve, you know.
This is mine.
But
Yes, message.
the unfortunate thing about this
Anything else you found? You
entire
just leave it
stuff
on the bed.
was for kind of part now and just maybe doze off for an hour or two and hit the road. No, sir? Yeah, come have a 10 o'clock shift. So, yeah, but thank you again for watching. Remember to tell Crystal happy birthday in the comment section.
Yeah.
Spam it. And remember, if you're new and you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, give my video a thumbs up, comment when done.
Go and
Merci.
tell me my Instagram account.
Oh, what's the Instagram name?
Jesus Peace Crystal SKP.
I remember, but I put it on the screen, or it's in the description box, or the comment section.
Okay.
And only just add her and tell her happy birthday.
Yes, my
Real
profile
man
is
for
private,
acting.
so
Yeah, real man for acting.
Go with it,
Yeah, buy a
$2,000.
house for your girl and a car for your girl and 50 grand every week. Yeah.
Yeah. Bye bye.